getting ready to install a lock on a door that has no lock, that has no cutting. The easiest way to cut the lock part, I've already measured it. So I put the X where I'm gonna make the hole, and I made a mark here where the lock's gonna go, and the way I did that, I put it just beside the old door and I traced it out. The other easy way to do it, of course, you have to make sure it matches up to the lock that's already there. There's already a pre-drilled hole. Of course, this is a replacement door, so always measure it and mark first. There you go. It's all magic right there. Let's mark it to your center where the X is. You have already your marks. Trying to do it with one hand so that you can kind of see what I'm doing. So the part comes with this. You can get this, measure, see that fits exactly. You put it good so you can see what I'm doing. It looks hand tight, there's no need to make it too tight. Let's make sure it's firm enough. Okay? There we go. Let's start the job. Just right in. Go through. And just start drilling. There you go. Don't do it straight through because it breaks the other side of the paint. So go on the other side. And continue here. Go. Small hole, I found that even this big bit can work, but if you want to go the way with the pack, you can go with this one, and you pick the right one to go in. So I'm gonna use this big one for me. Look at that clean hole. Clean it out, and we're gonna pick up our brand new lock. Time for the lock. Right on. It has those small clips, the clip right in, and depending on the side, make sure you get this ready. You know the door's gonna close and this is gonna go, so that's the direction you're gonna put the door in. Just push that in. Some people use a hammer to tap it, but I find if you've done a nice hole, it's not a big deal. You test it, make sure it's good, and also look to make sure the hole is in the center because that will allow your lock to operate properly. Now just put the screws in. Before you do that, just test the lock, turn them so you know it locks, and you're good. You will install lock. When you lock it, push that. See, it locks, and then let's see how it goes. Put the key in the lock, and when you turn, it's locked.